What's going on, guys? Thanks for coming to my page. This is Matt. I know you guys have probably spent thousands of dollars, if not more, on this how to make money online stuff. Hours upon hours. So have I. But you can tell I'm actually living the laptop lifestyle. That's why I created this free training for everyone to see and do. If you want to get behind me, we'll start earning passive income together. Just fill in your information below. Everything will be emailed to you, and we can start your online journey together. I can't wait to see what your goals are. Let's get this journey going. Let's start earning you some passive income online. Maybe, who knows, maybe you'll even be able to quit your day job like myself. And you can tell, making money at the beach. If you want to do it with me, just put your information in below. Let's do this together.